Hello there, I'm Tyler from VR Expert, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the RealWear Navigator 500 smart glasses. In this video I want to start with a short introduction and an overview of the device. I'll show you how to wear the device and how to navigate through the device. Afterwards we will show you how to connect the Navigator 500 to a Wi-Fi network and how to download and install applications and how to use the RealWear companion app on your phone. And we will also show you how to perform a factory reset. Now let's not waste any time and get started. So this is the RealWear Navigator 500 assisted reality smart glass. And right on the front of it you will see a small display which is located in front of one of your eyes. This display shows you additional visual information and it feels from the size like holding a 7-inch tablet right in front of your eye. So the camera is located right next to the display. With the camera you are able to shoot photos in 48 megapixels and videos up to 1080p and 60 frames per second. Here on the opposite side is the battery module, which can be easily removed and replaced with a click system, just like this. By the way, the battery lasts up to 8 hours and is therefore ideally suitable for a full shift. Also, another very useful feature is that the battery of the Navigator is hot swappable. That means you can remove and replace the battery without having to turn off the device. This is possible because the smart glasses has a small second internal battery built in. Now looking at the other side, you will find a USB-C port and charging, whereas connecting with the PC will be going through the USB-C port. The audio port can be used to connect headphones with the device and it's located on the other side. However, Bluetooth headphones are also being supported with this device. Now let me show you how to wear the RealWear Navigator properly. For mounting on the head, the device comes with a standard workband. You can easily clip the workband to the device and make sure that the Velcro strap is facing the rear. The workband makes sure to distribute the weight very evenly on your head, making sure that the device will sit comfortably to wear even for long periods of time. Before you put on the device, you should determine your dominant eye. And to do so, follow the instructions in the following video.
First, focus on any distant object in your room, such as a plant. Now, with fully extended arms, form a triangle with your hands. With both eyes open, center the object inside the triangle. Now close your left eye. If the object is still centered, you are right eye dominant. If the object moves out of the triangle, you are left eye dominant. Repeat the process again with the other eye to confirm. When your dominant eye is open, the object should remain inside of the triangle.
Now, once you're ready, place the Navigator 500 so that the display is in front of your dominant eye. For me, it's the right side. The workband can be adjusted using the Velcro strap on the back. It is important that the display sits slightly below the line of sight so that the view is not obstructed. The camera points straight. Now that you have set up the device, let me show you how to turn it on and how to navigate it. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. The RealWear Navigator 500 can be controlled completely hands-free with your voice commands. Here you can follow the motto, say what you see. For example, if you say My Programs, the menu for selecting the applications opens and I can see that right now on the screen. In addition, there are some general commands that can be used at any time. For example, to get back to the main menu, you just say, navigate home. To adjust things like brightness or volume, say, my controls. Here you will find plenty of settings available for you to make. Another useful command that you can always use is show help. This will show you possible commands for the current slide. A full list of commands can be found in our article that is going to be linked below. So, that's it for the first overview over the RealWear Navigator 500. And if you want to know more, keep watching. In the following short videos, we will be explaining how to connect the device to Wi-Fi, how to download apps, how to use the RealWear companion app on your phone, and how to do a factory reset on the device.
My programs. Settings. Network and Internet. Wireless networks.
Now select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect with. If you want to use the remote keyboard of your RealWear companion app, say barcode reader. You will then be able to scan the QR code from your device. Now close the dashboard and say connect to complete the process. An easy way to install applications on the RealWear is by connecting it to the RealWear Explorer. When an APK is dropped into the drag and drop area, RealWear Explorer will automatically take care of the installation process. If you want to use Foresight to install applications, go to cloud.realwear.com. If you have no login details to the Foresight environment, please contact your supplier. Step 1. Add your application. Log in with your details and click on Device Management, Application Catalog and add a new application. Fill in the application name and possible other fields and scroll down until you see Add Application Package File or APK on the right side and click on it. After you have selected your APK, scroll up and press Save. Step 2. Create a policy. Click on Policies. Then click on Add New Policy in the top right corner. Now you can fill in a name for the policy and add apps to it. When you're done, press Save in the top right corner. Step 3. Assign a policy. Click on Devices. You will now see your devices appear. You can recognize your device by the serial number. Click on the device you would like to add the policy to. Scroll down until you see Policy Template. Click on the selection box below Change Template and select the policy you created in Step 2. When you're done, scroll up and press Save. Now you only have to turn on your Navigator 500 and make sure it's connected to the internet. Wait around 20 minutes, the application will then appear on your device. If you don't have the RealWear companion app installed yet, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The RealWear companion app is designed to support you during setup and installation of the RealWear. If you open the RealWear companion app, you will see 4 categories. The first is configuration. Here you can do a first-time setup of your device or just set the language or date and time. You can also set up your Wi-Fi network. Second is remote keyboard. You can use the keyboard for entering text without using your voice. This makes it easy to fill in passwords and emails without saying them out loud. The third category is support. This category will take you to the support website of RealWear. The last category is codes to log into apps, but this feature is currently only supported by Cisco WebEx.
My programs. Settings. Page down. Page down. System. Reset. Select item 5. Reset device. Reset device.
Hello there, it's me again. If you're looking for further information about the RealWear Navigator 500 or other XR devices, check out our VR expert knowledge base, which is linked down below.